SOS website.
Yeah.
They're not signing up for some.
Yeah, yeah. So if I refer people to the SOS website, Operation Restoration or Road Restoration will come up.
And it's a click. So people
Okay.
kind of understand. Yeah, take the paperwork.
Yeah.
The sovereign citizen.
Attorney. All right. Prosecutor said you're going to plead guilty to a new charge, added charge of no valid operator's license on person. You understand that? You understand that the possible penalty for that is up to 90 days in jail, up to $500 fines plus court costs, and it will go on your record with Secretary of State that will tell them you were driving on that date, and they could resuspend you. You understand that might happen? All right. And you understand your rights and all those options? Understanding all of that, are you pleading guilty to that added charge? Are you doing so freely and voluntarily, Mr. McGee? All right. On that date, did you drive a vehicle in Van Buren Township? That would be April 28th. And at the time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept your plea and dismiss the original charges in keeping with your agreement. What's the status of your license now?
Recently just paid the state that
Holding you up?
reinstated.
It is reinstated? Okay, so understand they might resuspend you for some period of time. Understood. All right, are you working? Where at? How long?
In work, warehouse, business.
Where's it at? Where at? Ipsy. Okay. Okay. How long you been there? Okay. Full time? Getting good hours? Okay. All right. Anything else you want me to know before I sentence you? All right. All right. I am setting fines and costs at $500. Pay that today or set up a plan today to get it paid. So we got options for you. And I'm also ordering 4 days on the court work program. ISS work program is an alternative to jail. We run the program 7 days a week. You pick which 4 days you want to work. You take your schedule, and those days you got to show up at 8 o'clock in the morning. Questions? Downstairs. Downstairs. Everything happens at the counter. All right. Good luck. You're welcome. 𝘾𝙤𝙥𝙮𝙧𝙞𝙜 Jr. Is it Dantzler? Am I saying it right? You're going forward today without an attorney. Is that correct? All right. Let's see what we got. Oh, hold on. I got a warrant file here. That's Romulus. So he's got to get a date. I got a file here from March 24, 23, a Romulus drove while license suspended, revoked, or denied charge. Oh, I don't know. Angelo. Miss Manarino.
Yes, Judge. Yes, Judge. I'm
Hey,
here.
on Mr. Dantzler, I've got a file in warrant status for a drove while license suspended Romulus charge.
Okay.
Can you handle that today?
Yeah, of course.
Okay. So we'll send, I'll take care of the file that you came in for. I'll send you to talk to her on this one. So hopefully you don't have to come back on that one. Got it? Okay. All right. So you met with the prosecutor for the airport. Says here that you're going to plead guilty to allowing an unlicensed driver to operate on May 28, 26, and both charges that were issued on that date would be dismissed. Is that your understanding? And do you understand the possible penalty for the charge? Did you read your rights form? Did you understand those rights and the options they present? All right. On that date of May 28, 2026, did you drive a vehicle at or near the airport?
Yes.
At the time, was your license suspended, revoked, or denied? I'll accept your plea, dismiss the original charges. You're working? All right. When's the last time you had a job? Where were you working?
All
right. How come you're not working now?
With my kids, as far as in the babysitting things.
Okay. Are you looking for work?
You know, I'm on the time of driver's license.
Okay. What do you have to do to get it back? Basically all the money you owe us? Anything else keeping you from driving?
Just pretty much.
Okay. So get a driver's license. Now you're back looking for work? Okay. Dude, I can work with you. You owe us $1,452, but I can work with you to get your license released before you pay it all. How much can you come up with? When?
that said that just right now I'm not working.
I mean, I'm talking about borrowing money from relatives to get your license back so you can get back to work.
And it's a little process, but I still gotta go back to Detroit. This month.
When you say back to Detroit, you mean a court case down there? What's pending down there? What's the charge?
Same thing.
Okay, so Mr. Hadley, do you know, are they still working out of 36 on DWLSs and so forth? They still working that special program to help people get back on the road?
Yeah.
What's they call that?
There's a fee similar to Operation Drive.
Okay. All right.
Responsibility.
Have we ever seen the plan for Operation Drive here? Is that why you're good enough on it?
Something, but I still didn't understand, it has nothing to do with us. Okay, what kind you might need?
Actually, I don't know that they have it at this point. Yes, they are listed. 36 1 to 12 grant recipients. That program is still running.
Okay. In broad terms, tell Mr. I can't, for Dancer, I already forgot your name. Tell Mr. Dancer what that might do for him down there.
Yeah, open matter still down 36. So the idea is that you enter into this Operation Drive program where they'll help you obtain clearances on outstanding tickets with the goal of giving you plea deals that will not continue to suspend your license for a term. If that makes sense. A lot of times you go and take care of traffic tickets, you plead guilty to some, and then you end up with another year suspension based on plea. So the idea is to try to, move you through the process with the goal of being twice of it. Your Honor, I've also had some positive feedback from the other state-run program that's being done through the actual Secretary of State. It's called road restoration, so it depends on what the actual issues are. Those are being done throughout the state on weekends. I think the next one's at Eastern Market coming up in like a week or two.
Okay. So, Mr. Dancel, you might want to write that down. Might want to check that out online. Road to Restoration. Yeah, sounds like a live event. He shows up and they try to walk him through some help.
Exactly right. I'm going to see, they've got one today in Kalamazoo. They've got one the 19th in Monroe. There's one
Write
on
that down, Road to Restoration.
Market.
So I'll start telling people that.
And it's through the Mission website.
Yeah.
So you know you're not signing up for some phone.
Yeah. So if I refer people to the SOS website, Operation Restoration or Road to Restoration will come up.
Creation, and it's a clinic. So people
Okay.
kind of need to understand, take the paperwork.
Yeah.
There's attorneys who are staffing this, who are meeting with people, reviewing driving records, and kind of help us navigate as well.
Okay. All right. So that's good information there. All right. Thank you, Mr. Hadley. All right, sir, anything else before I sentence you today? Okay.
It's damaging.
Can you come up with $300
Yeah.
next week or two? All right, so I made a note on your paperwork. I want you to go downstairs and set something up on a payment plan on the current $1,452 balance. I made a note on that when you come in with $300, we'll issue your clearances. So what you owe us is not stopping you from getting your licenses, your privileges restored. Understood? All right. On today's file, you're currently not working. How many kids you got? 1-5?
Yeah.
Holy cow, have you been blessed? So I'm assuming their ages are all over the board, right? Yeah, okay. What's your youngest? Wow. I have not talked to anybody in forever that had that many kids. Like forever. Yeah. All right, Who?
Cannon.
I don't know who that is. All right. I'm trying to craft a punishment for you because punishment is in line that's not going to really impact your ability to get back on the road. When you're living in Detroit, all right, so here's what I'm going to do. On today's file, I'm going to put you on a 12-month non-reporting probation, no driving till you're legal. So no more driving, no new convictions for anything. Because I'm, in my opinion at least, I'm being so nice to you now, I don't want you to take advantage of it and go out and do something wrong. So if you violate probation, I'm going to get the punishment's going to happen then. All right. So instead of any fines and costs today, I'm just going to order you to do 40 hours of charity work. I want you to have that documented, done and documented to the court by November 1st. So we've got a list down here we can give you of organizations that are pre-approved. There's some down in Detroit, most of them are out here. You don't have to work off that list. You can find like your favorite charity in your neighborhood. I don't care, but it's got to be an official registered with the IRS charity. Understood? I got to hear something. Yes. Okay. So do the 40 hours and stay out of trouble. That's all you got to do on this file. On the $1,452 that you currently owe, go downstairs, set up some kind of payments. The notes are going to be in the system that when you come in with $300, we'll clear you so you can go get your license straight on these at least. Any questions?
No.
Okay, good luck. You're welcome.
The Sovereign Citizen.